But first, let's hear from Parker.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Don't get out of your chair just yet. Don't go out there and look at it. I mean, you can, by all means, you can go out there and look at the moon. It's the moon. Moon's always pretty. But why I say don't do it yet is because the maximum, meaning the maximum eclipse, meaning that the Earth will be the most red, will be at 11:12, just like you heard Bailey say a second ago. 11:12. That's about just under an hour. It's about 55 minutes away from now, actually. Here being it's 10:17, but in 55 minutes it'll be at its maximum. Peak magnitude is going to be 93%. That 93% means that 93% of the Earth's face that we see here on Earth will be obscured by Earth's shadow, which is called the umbra, this big old kind of reddish kind of hue thing right there, that big old circle right there. That's going to be Earth's shadow. But it'll be at maximum eclipse, 11:12, and then it's going to be ending. The red color will go away at about 12:51 in the morning tomorrow, Friday morning. So here in the next half hour to hour or so, I highly encourage y'all to get out there and view that moon. And right now, I actually just stepped outside a moment ago and checked on the cloud cover. We're looking mostly clear here in Temple, actually, at least downtown Temple it is. But I would not be surprised if there are some other areas around our viewing area that are dealing with partly cloudy skies. But even then, partly cloudy skies is okay because you just got to wait a few minutes for that cumulus cloud to get out of the way, and then boom, there's that pretty moon, which is probably looking red. Send us your pictures, by the way, if you get any of that. Now, looking at the rain chances for the rest of tonight, after about, I'm going to say in the next hour to 2 hours is going to be our last kind of final hurrah with the showers around the area. We're going to hold on to coverage at 20%, most of it going to be concentrated in our southernmost counties. As we go into tomorrow, Friday, though, if there is any rain that happens, it'll be cutting off by around 1 or 2 in the morning. But as we go into tomorrow, Friday, if you missed out on the rain today or earlier this morning, it's okay. We still have a 10% chance for tomorrow, Friday. Not a huge chance, but we'll take whatever we can get. 10% meaning there might be a couple spotty showers around the region anywhere between the mid to late afternoon hours of tomorrow, Friday, before the sun goes down and boom, there goes goodbye to the daytime heating, which is what's driving up all the shower convection. But again, we'll take whatever we can get because you can see right here, burn bans are not looking very nice to us, nor is it for the rest of the state of Texas. We're talking 70%, more than 70% now of the beautiful state is under a burn ban at this very moment. But after we're done talking about the rain, which is tomorrow and headed into the weekend, we're right back to talking about the heat. Why? Because today it was 105 at the Waco airport, just 5 degrees away from a record in 2011. That was a really hot year too. 96 is our average high this time of year. So today we were 9 degrees above average. And it's probably going to stay like that, at least maybe not that hot. But ooh, did y'all see that? Y'all saw that little flash of lightning right there? This camera, I believe, is looking south. I'm going to have to double check that, but that camera is facing south, and you just saw right there on your screen, a little lightning strike way out in the distance. That was probably about 50 to 100 miles away, but that's not really what I wanted to show you. 90 degrees is our current temperature here in Temple. It feels like 93 with humidity at that near 50% mark. Temperatures area-wide, you could actually see clear as day where it's raining right now. Temperature is in the 70s right now in San Saba and Lampasas County, 73 over there. I'll take that all day long. The rest of us upper 80s and right around 90 flat. But as we go into this weekend and next week, here's why we're going to continue talking about the heat. I know you're probably like, this is a broken record at this point. There you go, high pressure moving right back over Texas, and it'll actually split into 2 separate high systems as we go into this weekend and next week. So that's going to continue likely our triple-digit streak. Now, tomorrow morning, if you want to escape the heat, you're going to want to do it in the morning because we'll be in the 70s by 8. 9 a.m. we'll be right back in the 80s, and those triple digits, like I said earlier, will continue all the way into next week. You can see it right here on the 7-day, low 100s all the way into next week. Lower rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday as well. And if you missed this forecast, you can always catch us on the 6 News app. It'll cost you exactly $0.
Alrighty, thanks, Parker.